In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to a video using Kapwing. Adding a watermark is a great way to protect your content and brand your videos, so let's dive in and learn how to do it. First things first, you'll want to head over to Kapwing's website. It's a fantastic online platform for editing videos quickly and efficiently. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear, giving you several options for signing in. Today we'll choose to sign in with Google, which is a convenient option if you already have a Google account. Simply click on the Sign In with Google button and select your desired account from the list. This step is crucial as it ensures you can save your progress and access all of Kapwing's editing features. Now that you're signed in, you'll be directed to your project dashboard. Here you can select the video project you want to work on. Search for your project and click on it to open it in the editor. At this point, we're ready to start adding our watermark. In the Kapwing editor, look for the option that says Add Text, usually found in the toolbar on the left. Click on this to create a text box on your video where you'll place your watermark. Next, choose a text style that suits your video. You can pick from a variety of styles, so take your time to select one that aligns with your branding or desired aesthetic. Once you've selected a style, it's time to enter your watermark text. You might want to use something simple like your brand name or a logo. Just type it into the text box that appears on your video. After entering your text, it's time to make adjustments. Move the text box around to position your watermark where you want it to appear on the video. You can click and drag the edges of the text box to resize it, ensuring it's proportionate to the rest of the content. Now, a watermark should be visible but not too intrusive. To achieve this subtlety, adjust the transparency of the text layer. Navigate to the right side panel where you can find the transparency settings. Slide the transparency bar until your watermark blends well with the video but remains visible enough to be effective. And there you have it. You've successfully added a watermark to your video using Kapwing. Remember, adding a watermark not only protects your content, but also helps in brand recognition, making it an essential step in video production. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.